to make an extra $5,000 a month working from home. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can actually achieve this. And one of those ways, it does require some startup capital, but the other 2 ways, they're kind of a low barrier to entry, and you can go ahead and get started with these practically for free pretty much, and you can start to earn money. So with any of these strategies, make sure that you just choose one strategy and you want to give it everything you got. You want to learn all about that strategy, and you want to keep working on your business. Make sure you spend at least a few hours per day solely working on your business. The reason why you want to do this is because you probably won't get sales right out of the gate. Sales come with consistency. Okay, so if you just do this for a few days or a few weeks, and if you don't see results and you quit, trust me, it's not going to work. You have to keep going in order to build up that momentum. Once you have built up that momentum, $5,000 per month is like a drop in the bucket. And the more consistent you are with this, the more possibility you have to earn more money with any of these strategies. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into the content, and let me share with you these 3 ways that you can actually make an extra $5,000 per month working from home. So the first strategy that I want to share with you is e-commerce. Now, I have a video on my channel where I share with you how you can quickly set up a Shopify store in about 12 minutes. Now, once you have your Shopify store or even an Etsy store, both of these you can do this and create an online store. What you want to do is you want to add your products to the store, and then the next thing you need to do, you need to focus on advertising. You need to focus on getting as many people as possible to visit your online store so they can purchase your products. So if you have like your own products, if you have like homemade goods, kind of like skincare products or jewelry or something like that, you can definitely look at towards Etsy. You can also do that with Shopify as well, but what mostly people do on Shopify, in addition to like selling like their own homemade products or whatever, they also sell products that they can probably get shipped from China, something like that, or even find American sellers where they can actually purchase their products from and sell them here. Now, one way that I was able to find products to add to my Shopify store is whenever I'm on social media. So when I'm on Instagram, if I'm on Facebook and I see an ad that's appealing to me, that's selling me something, what I would do is I actually click on the ad. If you do this and you actually click on the ad and visit the website, what Facebook and these social media platforms are going to do is they're going to start to put more ads in front of you. And when that starts to happen, you're going to see what products other e-commerce stores are selling. That's a great way to find winning products, because you're starting to see more of those products. Now, you take it a step further, especially with Instagram and Facebook. If you actually click on the ad and then you add something to your cart, but you don't pay for it, now you're actually in another group that Facebook or Instagram will put you in as a person who actually adds items to a cart. And when you run Facebook ads, this is actually an option for advertisers to reach you, or people who actually add things to cart. So now you're going to see a whole different set of ads being shown in front of you of again, winning products. So this is a great way for you to actually kind of see and start doing your research on products that can sell. So if you do not currently have like your own homemade products or anything like that, again, you want to spend some time doing product research and actually finding products that work. Now, I will be doing a video on my channel where I do talk about a few ways that you can actually do product research for your e-commerce stores. But once you have your product set up and everything else, the next thing that you want to do is you want to advertise for your store. So there's several ways that you can actually do this. A lot of people do with Facebook ads. A lot of people are now doing TikTok ads, which are really great. Another way that you want to do is, in addition to doing paid ads, and this is something that I tell people, especially when they start with affiliate marketing, is that if you're going to do paid ads, what you also want to do is you want to run some free organic traffic. And a really great way to do this for your e-commerce business is through Pinterest. On Pinterest, the average user on here is female, and they have an annual income of $70,000 per year. So what does that mean? They have disposable income, and these are the people that will be able to buy your products. So you definitely want to do like some organic marketing over here on Pinterest and start getting your content out in front of the people who will be interested in buying whatever it is you're selling. A lot of people are sleeping on Pinterest. This is a wonderful platform, and you can make a lot of money for your store if you are consistent with your organic marketing on Pinterest. So the next option that I want to share with you is course creation. So if you have any type of expertise in something, you can create a course and sell it. So we're looking at teachable.com, and this is one of the ways that you can actually, after you have created your course, you can actually upload it here and you can sell it to other people, and this is where you can collect your money. So if you know how to get your first, if you know how to have success with YouTube and you can teach that, then put that into a course. If you can just make like some short videos, and they can be like 5 to 10 minutes long, these videos, and you can package that all together, upload it to Teachable, and you can sell it. It doesn't matter whatever it is you're in. If you know how to teach somebody graphic design, if you know how to teach somebody about Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, you can come over here and you can sell it. So think about it. If we're just, for like this video, I'm talking about how you can earn an extra $5,000 per month. Now, if you do the math, if you take $5,000 and you divide it by 30 days in a calendar month, that's $167 you need to make per day in order to do this. So if you were to price your course at like $47, if you just sell 3 of those courses every single day, you will have met your goal and you can hit $5,000 per month. Now, you don't have to sell your course for exactly $47. You can even take the shortcut and sell a course for $167, and you have met your goal you'll have met your daily goal in order to hit $5,000 per month. So that's what you can do here. There's a lot of people who are actually creating courses. And again, when you are creating content, and if you're creating content on YouTube, if you're creating content on your Facebook, and people are asking you, hey, I want to learn how to do that, then that should just give you the green light to know that, you know what, let me package up a course and sell it to people, because people want to know what it is that you're doing and how they too can have success with it. So this is a great option for you. And the last option that I want to cover with you is affiliate marketing. So again, just with you doing the math, all you would need to do to earn $5,000 per month is $167 per day. So a great way you could do this is, again, with affiliate marketing. And the best thing about affiliate marketing is, especially if you're just getting started online trying to make money online, is that you don't have to worry about customer service issues, and you don't have to worry about creating courses or even doing product research to an extent. So just like how I shared with you with the e-commerce option as well as the course creation option, you have to deal with customer service, you have to deal with refunds, you have to deal with all this stuff. And trust me, the other 2 options are still great options to do, and you can make money with those. And yes, they have their setbacks, but most businesses do. So do not just immediately discredit those. Those are still great options. But again, if you're just getting started online and you don't want to do the whole create a store and everything else, again, affiliate marketing is definitely where you want to go. So right now we're looking at warriorplus.com, and on this particular affiliate site, they offer a lot of products that are in the make money online internet marketing niche. So you can come over here and you can promote any of these products, and you can promote these products using YouTube, your social media accounts. You can also do paid advertising like solo ads to sell these type of products. So right now we're looking at the top products on this website right now. And let's say that we wanted to promote the secret email system. So what I would do is I'll come over here to the affiliates tab, and I'll come over here to offers. And then I'm going to put in the secret email system. And as you guys see, it's right here because it's actually one of the top products. So let's go ahead and click on this. And it's going to give us additional information about this particular offer. But what I want to share with you in this is about the actual products. So right here we can see that the first product that we promote is $5.60. And that's the commission. They're giving us 100% commission on that. And actually with this product, you're actually getting 100% commissions all the way throughout. So this is if you promote this product, you'll earn $5.60. Now, if they go through the sales funnel and they actually purchase these additional offers, you have the potential to make more money. So that means you'll earn a $97 commission, a $47 commission, an $84 commission, and a $9.95 commission. So if they bought all of this, that's a $243 commission that you can earn just by promoting this one product. So that's one of the benefits of this, of doing affiliate marketing. Another place that you can actually find products to promote is on clickbank.com. So if you come over here to clickbank.com and you come on the side right here, you can see a whole variety of different niches that you can actually find products in and actually promote those products. So I'm currently on the e-business and e-marketing because that's kind of what I focus on this channel. And you can choose one of these offers to promote. So think about it. Again, if you want to hit $5,000 a month, and this product right here, you can have an average sale of $130, you almost kind of meet your quota. Or even right here with CB University, the average sale is $243. Think about if you sold one of those per day. You will definitely hit your $5,000 goal plus more. So that's one of the benefits of it. And then again, when somebody purchases one of these products from this website or even Warrior Plus, again, once they have purchased the product, that is it. That is the end of the transaction. And if they have any customer service issues or anything like that, they will have to contact the promoter or the vendor of this product. They don't contact you. Again, you just send traffic to these offers and you collect money. And that's what I mostly talk about on this channel is affiliate marketing, because that's what I do in order to make money. Now, if you want to know exactly what I am doing, the exact system I am learning from in order to have success with affiliate marketing, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that link and you can find out my #1 way to earn an income online with affiliate marketing. And again, it's the same exact system that I am using. In this video, I share with you 3 ways that you can make an extra $5,000 per month working from home. Now, with any of these strategies, I do have more content on my channel about each of these strategies and how you can go ahead and get started. And then also what you want to do is you want to look at other YouTube channels and start to get more information about which one of these strategies you decide to move forward with. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.